Hello, my name is Elizabeth Davis, and I am an application engineer with Applied CAX. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to update NX to the latest release. I'm going to walk you through how to download and install the software. Before we begin, you will need your WebKey username and password. Go to support.sw.siemens.com and enter in your WebKey username and password. Once you've logged into the Support Center, under My Products, click on NX and View Product Center, and then click on Downloads down here. And then on this page, under the Major Releases, there's this drop down right here. And if you drop this down, you can see the latest releases going back to all the way to NX 11. And I'm going to download the latest release from the NX 1953 series. So I'm going to select NX 1953. When you come to this page, it will usually default to whatever the newest, latest, and greatest is. So over here is the NX 1953 major release, and then next to it you see the latest release, which is NX 1957. I have previously installed NX 1953 on my machine, so today I'm going to install NX 1957. Go ahead and click on the release. On this page, there are a couple different options to download. There's 2 zip files right here and a couple of different text files. And at this point, we ask ourselves, which zip file do we want to download? They are named the same except for the MSP suffix on the second file down here at the bottom. If we click on the file with the readme.txt, this brings us to some text that explains the difference between the 2 files. The file with the MSP suffix is typically recommended for users and customers who have previously installed the latest major release. In this case, I'm going to download the MSP because I've already installed NX 1953 on my machine. So I'm just going to download the MSP files. If you're updating from, say, NX 12 or NX 1847, you would select this file without the MSP. You go back to this page. So here is the file that you're going to select if you are on a previous major release, but because I'm already on the 1953 release, I'm going to choose the Siemens NX -1957_WNTX64_MSP zip file. We select this and it's going to begin downloading. Now that we've downloaded our installation files, we're ready to install our software. First thing we need to do is unzip or extract all files. Double click on this folder and then right click on setup.exe and run as administrator. Click OK or click yes. This could take up to a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and speed things along. When the install button becomes ungrayed, go ahead and click install, and then click next. If all of this information looks correct, go ahead and hit update. Final thing that I want to do is start NX and then check the version. If you want to check and see what version of NX you're running, go to Menu, come down to Help, and About NX. And here you'll see the NX version that is currently running. So this is 1957. That's what I expected because I just installed 1957. So looks like the install was successful.